Hello there, and welcome to part 4 of GP's primer series on cognition, cognitive warfare, and the brain as battlefield of the 21st century, and relativistic concepts of society. I realized that the previous video in part 3 was quite heavy, so this is a preamble to part 4, which is going to be in 2 parts, and it takes the form of 2 cognitive thought experiments. The first is the story of Alice, a 4-year-old growing up in Dublin, Ireland in the 19th century. And the second is the story of Alice, a 4-year-old growing up in a biosphere in the 23rd century on Mars. And with that introduction, I would invite you to listen or watch the 2 segments mentioned, Alice the 19th century child and Alice the 23rd century child, and then I will do a wrap-up part 4D. So this is 4A. 4B will be the 19th century cognitive thought experiment. 4C will be the 23rd century cognitive thought experiment, and then 4D will be the wrap-up and some conclusions, which we will then use in one of the X spaces, which we will run in the coming days to discuss the outcome and people's opinions on the thought experiments that I present, which I wrote 8 months ago, and can discuss whether they agree, disagree, or have opinions somewhere in the middle in terms of the conclusions that are drawn from both thought experiments. So with that, thanks very much, and I'll see all y'all in the next video. Alice, a 19th century cognitive thought experiment.